In 2017, only about 10% of tire buyers completed their purchases online. And while that number has grown, it's maybe not quite as much as you think. Today, it's closer to 13%. Most customers start online, but the vast majority finish in store. But with AI agents and all that mumbo jumbo happening out there, who knows how fast that number will grow in the coming years. So as e-commerce becomes an even more natural part of the buying process, let's talk about whether or not that's actually a good thing. Look, you know as well as I do, it's not just tires. I just bought some cat food and a blender on the big South American Forest website last week. In fact, consumers in every industry are blending digital and in-person experiences, and it only makes sense that we see a giant boost in online tire sales in the coming years. That doesn't mean brick and mortar shops go away. It means digital commerce becomes a layer on top of physical stores. Both channels will matter, so treat them with respect. Now, that shift is exciting for some, but maybe a little unnerving for others. But let's get excited because the opportunity is there for manufacturers and dealers to work together online, not against each other. Partnership is the name of the game here. Online sales get customers in the door, and in the long run, that helps everyone. It gives you the opportunity to get face-to-face with a new customer and build trust by looking over their vehicle during the install and by making recommendations. If you're a dealer who hasn't built a digital strategy yet, start by talking with your customers. Ask what they value, then find a digital partner who complements what you already do well. Because at the end of the day, in-shop or digital, it doesn't really matter. It's the customer that decides how your business grows. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.